Here it is, the 5.5 Paradox. Oh man, this knife is bad, no matter which way you slice it. Cold Steel has come up with a legal balisong or butterfly knife. Now, it's not like a typical butterfly knife that could be opened one-handed. You have basically two slip joints, which prevents it from being opened one-handed. Now, the handles on these have been milled out of solid aluminum and then hard-anodized to help prevent scratching and other wear. You got tip-up carry, pocket clip. Very nice looking. This thing is a beast. Secure. There's no way for this blade to close on you once it's open. Weighs just about 7.5 ounces. Total length is about a foot, about 12 inches, just under a foot. It's a hollow ground blade. This one happens to be AUS 8A, which I have no problem with. I'm going to give you something to compare it by. This is a Gerber LMF 2. And of course, my Spyderco Endura. Initial sharpness from the factory is very nice. Very nice. It rides and fits just fine in a pair of pants pocket. And there's still room to get in there for your car keys or whatever. That holds your pants pretty well. A very small amount of room to move in. But the tension on this pocket clip is excellent. It's not going to go anywhere. So here it is, the Paradox 5.5. Solid knife. It's unique. You guys have a great day.